Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to write a Python program to find vowels in a string. I'll provide a step-by-step explanation along with a code example. Vowels are the characters a, e, I, o, and u. In this tutorial, we'll create a simple Python program to find and count the number of vowels in a given string. To solve this problem, we need to iterate through each character in the given string and check whether it is a vowel or not. If it is, we increment a counter. This Python program provides a simple and effective way to count the number of vowels in a given string. It can be customized and extended based on specific requirements or used as a basic building block for more complex text processing tasks. ChatGPT.